Looking for the perfect appetizer to your next gathering? Then maybe these crunchy shrimp rolls might be just for you. Paired with a spicy sweet chili sauce, these succulent shrimp rolls will make any guest addicted into eating way more than one. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're going to turn fresh shrimp into a crispy roll. And we're gonna do this using our crunchy shrimp roll recipe. So grab those spring roll sheets and let's get rolling. But before we begin, let's first hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. And now, only now, let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing our spicy sweet chili sauce by adding in a small saucepan half a cup of unseasoned rice vinegar, half a cup of water, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 large minced garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of sambal oelek, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Now mix and combine all the spices together and bring the mixture to a boil. Be sure to stir constantly until the sugar dissolves, then lower the heat to a simmer. While our spice mixture is simmering, let's grab a small bowl and add inside half a tablespoon of cornstarch along with 1 tablespoon of water. Mix that up, then add inside the spice mixture and mix it once again until the sauce has thickened and becomes glossy. Also, taste the sauce and adjust any seasoning if desired. I should also mention that if you're not a fan of sweet chili sauce, do not worry, because you can also dip this into any sauce you'd like. But I recommend that you at least try it. It makes all the difference. Now to make our crunchy spring roll, let's start by preparing the shrimp. So grab 1.5 pounds of large shrimp and make 3 to 4 shallow cuts on its inner curve. Then straighten the shrimp by flattening it using your fingers and repeat this process with every single piece. Once all the shrimp are straightened, grab a large bowl and add inside 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now mix those spices together and add the shrimp inside the bowl. Then toss to coat every piece and set it aside. Using a small bowl, let's make another cornstarch mixture by adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Then quickly mix both ingredients until well incorporated. Let's now grab 12 sheets of square spring roll wrappers sliced in half and start rolling the shrimp by adding 1 piece at the end of the spring roll wrapper and using your fingers, roll the shrimp tightly to the sheet. And once you're almost at the end, brush some of the cornstarch mixture to the other end of the sheet, which will seal the shrimp roll once you finish rolling it. If needed, trim the leftover wrapper with a paring knife. Now repeat this process to all the remaining shrimp pieces and set them aside. Instead of using spring roll wrappers, you can also use egg roll wrappers, which will actually result in making the shrimp roll have a thicker and blistered shell. Now let's fill a heavy bottom pot with 3 to 4 inches of oil and heat it over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees. Line a sheet pan with a wire rack so we can drain our fried rolls after frying. Then once you've set that up, fry the shrimp rolls in batches until golden brown, which should take about 8 to 9 minutes. Place them on the wire rack to drain, and once that's finished, plate them along with the spicy sweet chili sauce we made earlier in our recipe, and garnish the shrimp rolls with parsley and cilantro. Serve your guests and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check the description box below to view all the steps again, and visit our website at cozymeal.com/recipes for more delicious appetizers to impress all your guests in your next house gatherings. Please be sure to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with all your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.